Chapter 6, Handling a Keyboard. Hello children, today you will learn how to use the keys of a keyboard. A keyboard is one of the primary input devices used with a computer. It looks very similar to the keyboard of electric typewriters with some additional keys. Keyboard allows you to input letters, numbers and other symbols into a computer. A keyboard is an arrangement of buttons and keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys on it. It requires pressing and holding several keys simultaneously or in sequence. A keyboard is attached to the CPU with wire or wireless. Types of keyboard: standard, laptop, gaming and multimedia, thumb-sized, virtual, foldable. Fact: whatever you can type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. Children, let us learn about keys on a keyboard. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet in English, so 26 alphabet keys are present on the keyboard. These keys are arranged in special sequence called QWERTY sequence. Space bar key. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give blank space between two words or characters. Number keys. Number keys are also called numeric keys. These numeric keys are 10 in number, marked with 0 to 9. Number keys are present at two places on the keyboard. On the top of the alphabet keys, on the right end of the keyboard. Function keys. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12 at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a different job to perform. Enter key. When you tap on the enter key while you are typing, it will drop down the cursor to the next line. There are two enter keys on a QWERTY keyboard. Shift key. The shift key is used to either type capital letters with the keyboard or to type numbers or symbols that appear on the top half of a keyboard. The shift key works when you press and hold it down while pressing another key. There are two shift keys on a QWERTY keyboard. Tab key. When you tap on the tab key while you are typing, it moves the cursor to the right a few spaces. Using the tab key is helpful when you are typing paragraphs and need to indent the first line of the text. Text can be any letter, number, symbol or space that you type with the keyboard. Escape key. The short form of escape key is ESC. It is placed at the top left corner in most of the keyboard. This key allows us to cancel an operation. Backspace key. When you tap on the backspace key while you are typing, it will remove a character to the left of the cursor. A character can be any letter, number, symbol, or space that you typed. Delete key. When you tap on the delete key while you are typing, it will remove a character to the right of the cursor. Remember, a character can be any letter, number, symbol, or space that you typed. Print screen key. The print screen key only needs to be pressed once to take a screenshot of everything that you see on your screen. The image temporarily saves to a virtual clipboard so that you can use the paste command to place the image in a document. Control keys. The control CTRL key needs to be pressed before you tap any other key and held down while you press the second key. The control key works with many other keys to create keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can be used instead of selecting menu options from the toolbars in many programs. There are two control keys on a QWERTY keyboard. Caps Lock key. Pressing the caps lock key once capitalizes each letter typed on the keyboard. When you tap the caps lock key again, the letter you type afterward will type as lowercase letters in your document. Caps lock only work on letter keys and does not work on rest of the keys such as numbers and symbols. Num lock key. The num lock key works like a switch, just like the caps lock key does. It is also called a toggle key because it stays on until you press it again. Pressing the num lock key once turns the numbers on the keypad on. When you tap num lock key again, the numbers no longer work and the keys have other functions. Cursor control keys. These keys allow you to move around up, down, right, left in a document without the mouse. These keys are helpful when you need to move the cursor around in text in a document. Let's recall. We use alphabet keys to type letters, words, or sentences, etc. Enter key is used to drop the cursor down a line. Shift key is used to type a single capital letter. Backspace key erases a character to the left. Delete key erases a character to the right. Control key is used at the same time as other keys to activate keyboard shortcuts. Caps lock key is toggle key that allows you to type in capital letters. Numlock key turns on and off the number keypad. Cursor control keys are used to move the